First, let's say you've got your presentation all set up in Canva with a few pages. Open it up. Now, to get it into PowerPoint, you just need to hit the Share button in the top right. Then scroll down and click on See All. Here you'll see an option for Microsoft PowerPoint. Click that, and then hit Download. Canva will then download all your pages as a PowerPoint file. Super simple. Now, if you want some animated elements in PPT, you'll need to do things a bit differently. Again, hit the Share button. Then select Download. But this time, change the file type to GIF. To do this, open the drop-down menu. Scroll down and select GIF. Here's the catch. You'll have to download each page individually. So download page 1, then page 2, and so on. Once you have all your GIFs, open up PowerPoint. Go for creating a blank presentation. Once inside, click on Insert from the top menu bar. Then Pictures, and select this device. Simply insert each GIF file, one by one, onto your slides. And that's how you can download Canva presentation as PPT with animation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.